How to update FaceTime on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. General manages your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Inside the General menu, tap on Software Update at the top. If your software is already up to date, a message will say iOS is up to date. However, if a new version is available, there will be a button under the Also Available section. Tap on it. To proceed with the update, tap on Update Now as shown. It will start updating your iPhone to a newer version along with FaceTime. Following these steps, you can easily update FaceTime on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.